Hey, my friends, welcome back to WordWave. I'm Daniel, and I'm so glad you decided to spend some time with me today. In this podcast, I speak slowly, I use easy words, and I repeat important ideas. I do this so you can follow me from the first minute to the last minute. My job is to help you train your ears and your mouth at the same time. Today, I want to talk about something very important, something that almost every English learner struggles with. Are you ready? Today's topic is building the habit of speaking English every single day. Maybe you study English. Maybe you watch videos. Maybe you read books in English. That's wonderful. But there is one big question. Do you actually speak? Do you open your mouth and use the words? Many learners say no. They feel shy. They feel scared. They wait until they are perfect. But here is the truth. You will never be perfect. Nobody is perfect. Even I make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. So today, I will help you. I will show you why speaking every day is so important, and I will give you simple steps to do it. Let's start with a big question. Why is speaking every day so important? Think about a baby. A baby learns to walk by walking. A baby falls down many times, but the baby gets up and tries again. Speaking English is the same. You learn to speak by speaking, not by reading, not by listening only. You must use your voice. When you speak every day, your mouth gets stronger. Yes, your mouth. English uses different sounds. Your tongue and your lips need practice. If you only read, your mouth never learns. But when you speak out loud, your mouth becomes smooth and natural. Also, speaking every day builds confidence. The first time you speak, it feels scary. The second time, a little less. After 1 month, it feels normal. After 3 months, you feel proud. This is the power of practice. Now, many people tell me, Daniel, I have no one to speak with. I live alone. My friends don't speak English. My family doesn't speak English. What can I do? Don't worry. I have good news. You don't need a partner. You can practice alone. Let me show you how. Tip number 1. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. This is the easiest tip. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a friend. You just need you. When you wake up in the morning, say in English, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I feel good. I will have breakfast now." When you take a shower, say, "The water is warm. I feel relaxed." When you make coffee, say, "I'm putting sugar in my cup. The coffee smells nice." This is simple. This is free. And this works. Try it tomorrow morning. Just 5 minutes. You will feel different. Tip number 2. Read out loud. Don't read silently. Open a book, an article, or a podcast script like this one. Read with your voice. Hear yourself speak. This is very powerful. It helps your pronunciation. It helps your rhythm. It helps your speed. Read for 10 minutes a day. That's all. If you don't understand a word, look it up. Then read the sentence again. Slowly. Then a little faster. Then a little faster. Soon, English will feel smooth in your mouth. Tip number 3. Record yourself. I know. Many people don't like their own voice. That's okay. It's normal. But this tip is gold. Take your phone. Open the voice recorder. Speak about something simple. Talk about your day. Talk about your favorite food. Talk about your dream. Speak for 1 minute. Then listen. When you listen, you will hear your mistakes. You will hear what to fix. Maybe your pronunciation is not clear. Maybe you say I'm too much. Maybe you speak too slowly. That's okay. Now you know. Now you can improve. Do this once a week. After 1 month, listen to your old recordings. You will be surprised. You will hear your progress. Tip number 4. Use shadowing. Shadowing is amazing. It's one of my favorite techniques. Here's how it works. Find a podcast in English. Maybe this one. Listen to a sentence. Then repeat it immediately. Copy my voice. Copy my speed. Copy my emotion. Try to sound like me. For example, if I say, "Today is a beautiful day," you say, "Today is a beautiful day." Right after me. No pause. No translation. Just speak. This trains your brain to think in English. It trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. Do shadowing for 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes. You will see big results. Tip number 5. Have a speaking schedule. This one is important. Without a plan, you will forget. Without a plan, you will be lazy. So make a small plan. For example, every morning at 7 a.m., I speak English for 5 minutes. Every evening at 8 p.m., I do shadowing for 10 minutes. Write it on your phone. Set an alarm. Make a habit like brushing your teeth. Habits are powerful. When something becomes a habit, you do it without thinking. And that's our goal. We want English to be a daily habit, not a special event, just a normal part of your life. Okay, my friend, let me give you a simple plan. A plan you can start tomorrow. Are you ready? Here it is. In the morning, talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Talk about your plans for the day. Use simple sentences. Don't worry about grammar. Just speak. In the afternoon, read out loud for 10 minutes. Pick anything. A blog, a book, a short story. Read with energy. Read with feeling. In the evening, do shadowing for 10 minutes. Use a podcast or a video. Repeat after the speaker. Copy everything. Before bed, record yourself for 1 minute. Talk about your day. Save the recording. Listen to it later. That's the plan. Simple, clear, easy. Total time? Less than 30 minutes a day. But the results? Huge. Now, I want to say something honest. At the beginning, this will feel hard. You will feel tired. You will feel like giving up. That's normal. Every learner feels this. But please don't stop. Keep going. Even on bad days, do something small. Even 1 minute is better than 0. Remember, speaking is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. After 1 week, you will feel a small change. After 1 month, you will feel a big change. After 6 months, you will be a different person, a confident speaker, a fluent speaker, a real English user. I believe in you. I really do. You can do this. Many people did it before you. They were not special. They were not geniuses. They just practiced every day. And so can you. Okay, my friend, that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for choosing WordWave. It means a lot to me. Remember the message of today. Speak every day, even a little, even alone, even when it feels hard. Your future self will thank you. This is WordWave, and I'm Daniel. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in your journey. Bye for now. WordWave